The lights, yeah? Just turned off. Okay. Again? Okay, stop. So just before I condemn the fuel pump, I've back probed the power feed and also the ground. So I'm using the actual ground at the connector so I can confirm both the power feed and the ground feed at the same time. So if I see 12 volts on this multimeter when I command the fuel pump on, then we're done. We just need a fuel pump. The fact that it has not gone to 12 means we don't need a fuel pump. There's a wiring problem. You reckon I'll find the issue? You reckon I'll find it? Yeah, turn it on. If it turns on, then I know where the break in the wire is between the two connections. So, see if it starts.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Well, guys, that was fun. Quick reminder: always check your power and grounds for any component that you're going to condemn. In this case, it had power coming in, but it had a bad ground.